Okay guys, so I am back with my come let's make can't talk. I'm back with getting my makeup done. Oh, my sweetie. Of course I've done my brows off camera and they literally took me forever. And guys, can you believe that I'm actually running behind time? It's now 25 minutes past 5. I did say I'm going for brunch. Right about now it doesn't seem like it's a brunch, because to me a brunch is basically from between midday to 5 o'clock. That's what I think anyway. Anybody else can say something different. That's absolutely fine. But for me, I think that's what a brunch is, you know. Anytime after 5 o'clock, then it's turned into dinner. Right about now, I'm running behind time. And it's just really, really frustrating. I'm always like, you know, these outings that I've been going to, I've always just been running behind time. I'm literally been pressing for time, like literally so late. Which is really, and I don't know what's going on. I really need to work on that. So okay, so I've done my brows off camera. I wanted to do baby hairs, well, just 2 little swoops up here, which I don't think I'm going to do because, as I said, I'm running behind time. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do my foundation. I didn't prime my skin. It's just a quick little something. It's nothing too long. You know, just want to have an evening out, just to eat some nice something. So that's what I'm doing. So right about now I'm rushing because, of course, you know, you can't go out and not take cute pictures. Well, some people, they don't take pictures, but I like pictures. So, you know, I want to document. And I like memories. I like looking back on moments and memories and just kind of, you know, reminiscing on it all and something there. I like that. I like photos. I like videos. And I love memories like that. So that's me. So I'm just gonna blend this foundation all over my face as much as possible. I don't want to mess up my lace. Oh my. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take a smaller brush just to kind of do up here, so which is gonna take long as well. Oh my god, this is gonna take so long. Oh my god. Okay, let me see if I can just take my time and do this. Okay, I'm gonna take my smaller brush and just put these in here. So I might have to do this at the end because sometimes I'm looking on camera in front of me doing it and it comes out really nice. And then when I actually get up and look in the mirror properly, I realize that I've actually missed spots. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and see if I can finish blending this out, and then I'm gonna come back. This makeup is very quick, by the way. As I said, I'm running behind time, so all my makeup is always very quick. Nothing extra, nothing dramatic, unless I'm just kind of doing it for fun and I have the time to kill. Alright guys, so I've just applied my concealer. I did put 2 different concealers because I do want a bright under eye. I wish I did this makeup a little bit earlier when it was much brighter outside, so at least the lighting would be a little bit better. But unfortunately, as I said, I'm running behind, so I just have to make do with what I have, which is the fake light. That's not really doing me any justice, but I'm going to work with it anyway. So I'm going to blend this in as I do, as much as possible. And then I'm going to set it with my setting powder, my Airspun setting powder. Okay, blend. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and set my my concealer in place. Guys, if you watch my my vlog, my mini vlog for when I went to my best friend's birthday, guys, did you see that makeup, how light it was? Oh my god, I couldn't believe it. And then I did mention as well, I actually forgot to actually powder my whole entire face, and I forgot to use a setting spray to set everything in place, because the powder that I would have used is from Morphe, and I bought a darker one, not on purpose. It was an accident, but it's much darker than me. So if I'd actually powdered my face and set everything in place, it would have come together. I just couldn't believe it. But you know what? Nevertheless, the makeup itself looks good, apart from if you don't look at my face and my body, because obviously it never match. But it is what it is. We live and we learn. So now I want to go in with powder in my face now. I know this is the wrong one. Oh my god, this thing is so... Oh my god, guys, I'm looking through the window right now and it's raining. I can't believe it. Okay, guys, as I was saying, I'm going to be using the Morphe finishing powder in this is filter 11, so it's a little bit darker than me, so obviously it normally bring any makeup together, especially if I wear a light foundation. I can't believe the rain falls so much. I can't believe it. And I wanted to wear something open, like an open toe sandals. I wanted to wear, and the day was so good. I mean, the day it was bleaky, you know, warm, and but it wasn't raining, and I can't believe it's right about not a rain. I just can't believe it. Jesus. I hope it hold up by the time we're ready to leave out, and then something it can rain while we're inside. I don't mind. But when we're ready to come out, then I hope it can stop. And imagine we're gonna take a rainy pictures. Okay, so that's all powder. You see that though? I just bring everything together, so it kind of matching my neck, which is good. Okay, so I still need to blend out this powder a little bit. Where's the powder sponge? And then the good thing is that when I use the spray at the end, it will bring everything together as well, so it wouldn't look so powdery, and so it looks white underneath my eye. It's not gonna look like that. Oh, I forgot to put the glue on my lashes. Oh god, I didn't even want to wear an extra lash. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm gonna dip into the Saharan palette by Juvia's, and I'm gonna take the Jamila color. It's like a burnt orange kind of color. I'm just gonna literally just sweep that over my lid. Off camera I did just take a pencil and just literally swipe it underneath my lower lash line just to get that dark effect, just, you know, because look at that thing. So I'm gonna take this and just kind of sweep it over the lid, because as I said, nothing extra, nothing extra, very, very quick, very easy, but you're gonna still be stunning and sexy, beautiful eyes, nicely put together. See? And I'm using a kind of a fluffy brush as well, so it's giving that fluffed out effect. So I'm not patting it in, I'm literally just rotating it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up a little bit because I've got my eyes are not, what them call this now, hooded eyes, something like that. So I don't have enough space, you see, but my eye just down here, so I have to just bring it up a little bit, so it look like something is actually happening. So yeah, the rain calmed down, but outside, whoa, outside bleaky bad. I mean, I remember like last week, all when it's 8 o'clock in the evening, out of the sun is still a shine. And right about now, it's not even 6 o'clock yet, and outside bleaky. Outside bleaky. Oh, it's bleaky. Oh, Lord. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not. He maketh me. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, I'm trying to blend that in as much as possible, guys, very, very quickly, because right about now, guys, I'm meant to be putting my clothes on, literally looking to leave out, me not lie. The lashes though, I must say, is quite dramatic. I meant to put the glue on from before and I completely forgot. So right about now, the glue is getting tacky. I've literally just put it on. I'm gonna wait a while now for that get tacky, and I can fling on them lashes. You know, oh guys, by the way, have I mentioned, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, yes, yes. Leave loads of comments as well. Tell me if you like that makeup here. I know it's very quick, but tell me if you like it. If you want to see any makeup that I do in depth, just let me know in the comments and I'll be able to do that for you also. Yes, yes, yes. Follow me on Instagram as well. I post on Instagram, not regularly, but I will be. Yes, yes, yes. I do have a TikTok account, but I'm not very active. I post about 9 videos so far, and that's about it. Which obviously is not good enough, but when life take over, social media have to take a back bench, unfortunately. So, oh glory. All right, that look a bit nice, you know. Yeah, man. All right, so I think I'm gonna go in with another palette from Juvia's. Well, this one is a Queen's palette, Femme ex Juvia's, when she collaborated with them. I really love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm gonna take Glam. It's like a shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put that here. So I'm gonna put that here. So look how nice that is. Look at the papa shimmer there. So look there, that nicey, man. That is so so nice. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. So right here. So oh Lord of mercy. Oh Lord of mercy. Okay, so I think that's good enough. It looks good on camera, me looking forward. Well, let me just look to my right, which might be your left, but okay, that's good. That is good, good, good. Okay, blow that off. Put that there, so. And then that looks good. That looks good. Yes. What else haven't I done? So I've powdered my face. I've done that. Do I need some highlighter? I might do. I like to glow. I always say that. I love, 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 love to glow. Well, and then I never contour my face. I need to look at that structure, people. My face look at that structure. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe bronzer thing again, and then try with my angle brush. So this is in Showman's, and I'm going to take the darker side. Yes, and I'm just going to put it right there. So just trying to see if I can get it here. So I mean, I want to get something like a contour stick, really, really dark enough. I wonder if you guys can recommend something, because just to make it easier, so I can just dry it right there, so and then just blend it out nice. I wonder if, got this right about, I'm patting and patting and patting. I can see something, but I need it to be a little bit more intense. So I need to get something, a really nice dark contour stick. I wonder, don't even know which one we can get that. And I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm just trying to get as much as possible. This makeup I'll go stop halfway, you know. This makeup I'll go stop halfway. I may just do down here, so I'm gonna look a little bit too unfinished. I'm just gonna do a glossy lip as well. I could do with my nose as well, because I could do it up here so as well. Let's see, so I'm gonna, put a look of something up here, so around behind time and backside. Oh god, look a bit up here, so bring the thing, and all of this is literally going on my hair as well, which is so annoying, because I hate it when makeup gets into my, when too much makeup gets into my lace. I literally just wash it yesterday, is it yesterday, day before yesterday, and dry it overnight, nice and clean and smell nice and good. Now I dirty up again, so I need to make another a little bit here, so okay, and a little bit here, so okay. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't get to do everything for the makeup. Obviously, I didn't even get to put mascara on my bottom lashes, because the time is already gone. The makeup compared to the other day, I think it's a little bit darker this time, but it's better to be darker than lighter, and I'm going to work with it. I put the lashes on, and that's about it. Just spray my face down, take my hair down, brush it out. Show you my outfit for the evening. Yes, it's not going to evening now, so it's no longer brunch. It's not going to be dinner. So yeah, I'm going to show you my little outfit. It's very nice and casual and pretty. Lips are just like a brown lip line and lip gloss, and then the scent for this evening is going to be my Marc Jacobs Daisy. So that's going to be what I'm going to be wearing. Yes, nice, nice, nice. Love, love, love. Absolutely love it. Yes, yes, yes. And yeah, guys, I'm going to take you along with me. I don't know, maybe when I'm driving or whatever, if I can get a good angle. And yeah, so I'll see you in a little bit. All right, ciao. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave loads of comments. All right, then. It should be fine going forward. There's a lot. It should be going fine forward. I was like, Julie, I was like, oh my god, But we're gonna have a good evening.
We're gonna have a good time. I'm here with my lovely sis. She just came to pick me up. We're gonna go out for the evening,
Yes. Well, it's meant to be brunch.
Yeah, brunch.
But it's now going to be dinner.
I know, right? Oh my goodness.
To the cold and stuff.
Yeah, there's too much traffic and stuff, so yeah.
Vlogging, and stuff like that. And then I was trying to do the makeup, and it was just coming like, I asked her, so how does it look like? You look too tall.
But it looks nice though.
Does it? Because I'm the highlights.
And the hair as well looks really good.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. literally vlogs with his phone and just eat at the same time.
I think I've seen it.
Literally, he vlogs and eats at the same time. Let me see how this video is doing. My quality is not very good, to be honest.
Go on. You have to drink it all the way down.
Oh, it's Prosecco.
Is it?
Yeah, it's Prosecco.
Okay.
Anyway, let's do it.
Pop it down.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes. That was okay.
Yeah?
And then, cheers. Cheers. This is nice.